Okay, there's a kid going down the hill. Sarah. Wait for everybody to go. Okay, now we're gonna do our own little penguin race.
Now?
We better wait till those guys come by us at the top.
But that's how I knew it's gonna come.
No, we'll be okay as long as they hurry up and go by us. So as soon as she gets even with us, we gotta go.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait for him. Because they're like going.
Okay. You ready?
Sure.
We're ready.
We're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.